about 3 hours away from departure, and I've completed my airplane food. So I've got, this one is chicken and spinach and pasta. I went for the pasta in the end. I've got another chicken, spinach and pasta. Then I've got the tuna pasta I mentioned, another tuna and pasta. So should be enough. Remember, I'm going to be outside for 24 hours. So in 24 hours, I should be consuming about 2,100, thereabouts, 2,000 calories. So I think I've got myself covered. As mentioned, I've got some protein bars in the bag. Just want to show you the, I'm going to do this, show you the airplane apparel. It's best to go kind of smart casual. I won't actually wear this t-shirt, I'll swap the t-shirt out, but similar kind of style. I know some people like to wear tracksuits on a plane, but I don't think that's really respecting the aviation industry. So kind of smart casual, not too smart. I wouldn't wear a suit because it could be a little bit uncomfortable for the entire flight. I also want to just take you through my carry-on essentials. I'll be taking this rather snazzy man bag, which is, it doesn't have to go in the overhead bin. Most of the stewards, they will overlook this if you've got it in your lap during landing and taking, which is a little bit of a grey area because you should actually put these in the overhead cabin because you will know the momentum of this thing. If there was suddenly to be an emergency braking and this was on my lap, well, it's got its own momentum, it would fly forward if I wasn't holding on to it and potentially injure someone. So the second thoughts, I will put that in the overhead bin. I don't want to be responsible for any accidents. So anyway, what will be going into this man bag? I've got the headphones, obviously, that's essential, fully charged. I've got a kind of old school USB charger because sometimes the seats have this kind of port, and if that's in your checked in luggage, you'd be absolutely gutted. So I've got that passport, obviously, with sort of plastic casing just to protect from the elements. Eye mask. This one's quite a nice, smooth eye mask, so that will come in handy for the 1 hour sleep that I will probably get. Handkerchief, I mean, that's just a daily essential, but I will definitely be taking that. Lip balm. Remember, the humidity is quite low when you get up to cruising altitude, so skin kind of get a bit dry. Small capsule of chewing gum. I think there's 6 in there, so that just saves me carrying one of the big pots. I've got some alcohol wipes just to freshen up some stage. Definitely essential. I've got the disposable toothbrush, so you know, if anything happens, if I lose it, no big problem. And the mini toothpaste, which I took from a hotel. If you go to a hotel, stock up on your mini toothpaste. They come in handy for freshening up. And then of course the earplugs, yeah, for sure. And then, oh yeah, this essential item, the UK SIM card with, I've got a paper clip in there because I lost the little thing to open up your SIM card. And then I've got an aid here to help me get to sleep. Make sure you speak to your doctor or physician about that if you are an adult and you wish to have a good night's sleep or to try and get some rest on the plane. Oh, and then I've got my handy weighing device for weighing my suitcase. I do not want to be stressing about that, so I will do 6 repeat measurements of the mass of the suitcase, and then I might plot a graph with some error bars, just make sure that the graph is going through the origin, and I'll probably calculate the uncertainty on the gradient as well, just to make sure that my suitcase is within the 23 kilogram permitted allowance. So that is the bag. I'm just going to have a relax and then I'm going to set off on my journey. Yeah, I'm going to eat something first. I'm going to get the last refueling before departure, and then yeah, I'll see you guys on the other side.